Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 9th, 2022. Is Dogecoin about to go lower? Guess what? I'm going to speak about that today on this video. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. If you guys are new to this particular channel, I do price predictions solely by looking at a price chart. I don't speak about technical indicators. I don't look at articles. I don't try to speak on what's in the future for Dogecoin. Is Elon Musk going to accept it for you all can purchase Teslas? No. Everyone has already spoken once they come into the market for Dogecoin and buys or either sells their cryptocurrency. So all you have to do is just come in and focus in on what the market has been doing generally to get a consensus as to how everyone is feeling, and then you can get in a position to actually win in the market. So if you guys appreciate all of that, make sure you hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to our channel. Also, make sure you follow me on all my other social media platforms. I do place other content there to make sure that we all understand and learn as much as possible as to how this game is really played. Check this out. I don't have a price prediction on my chart right now for Dogecoin. You guys can see it. I didn't do a price prediction, and the last video was actually on January the 16th. Yes. January the 16th was the last time. I didn't see too much. I said I really wasn't expecting a lot to come out into the market in Dogecoin during that time frame. Well, here it is today, and you guys can tell we really haven't seen too much. I mean, the market in Dogecoin hasn't moved a whole lot. We held 14 cents as support, and now the market's getting rejected around 17. So I wanted to come in today, see if we got anything better to determine, okay, what is the likely direction price is going to go now. So let's see. First of all, you guys can tell that we're pretty much still trading within this consolidation range, right? You guys can see how the price in Dogecoin has just been bouncing in between these two lines ever since December of last year. Now we've been hugging the bottom portion of this channel, but hey, now we're kind of see a little uplift in market price for this cryptocurrency. Now, let me show you this too. Do you think that this could be where the market in Dogecoin is trying to go? Do you think we found the bottom in price in Dogecoin simply by looking at this trend? Because you guys can tell that we've broken numerous trends before in the market in Dogecoin. This is one of them right here. You guys can see where the trend started back in April of last year. And then we broke the trend in Dogecoin December of last year. This trend right here, this ascending line, we broke that, right? So now, what do you think about this trend? Well, do you still suspect that the market in Dogecoin is just traded within the channel? One of them is going to be more powerful than the next. Do you think we're trending higher off of this ascending line, or do you think we're still trading within the channel? Let me know. Now, let me go ahead and hit this back to the trading channel, because I really think that the market in Dogecoin is trying to hug this trading channel here. Okay. So now I'm going to extend out that support area. This support area simply means that this is where we're looking at buying. This is where the buyers are approaching the market in Dogecoin right here around 12 cents. Okay. And we already know we'll maintain elevation in price for Dogecoin as long as price stays above 12 cents. We got it. So now really on this particular video, we need to determine, okay, we got that established. How high can the price go then? Well, we already got one area entrenched right here around 21 cents, 21.5 cents here in the market in Doge. Take a look at this on the 3-day time frame. Do you still see anything that is really signifying that the price in Dogecoin is about to go up? Do you see it? Do you see any indication that this market is bullish or bearish? Take a look at this on the 2-day. What do you all see? What is the majority of the market participants doing? Are they selling? Are they buying? What is going on here into the market in Doge? You see that? I really don't see too much here. This market is literally not giving us a lot of information as to which side is leaning more powerful from buying to the selling. Now we're in a downtrend. Yes, the market here in Doge is in a downtrend. We're not going to negate that. We understand that this is the trend here into the market in Doge. We got it. And you guys can see that we're about to come to a climax. This market is about to make a decision as to whether or not we're going to break out of this downtrend, or are we going to break down? Breakout means price is going to break up outside of this descending line. Break down means we're going to break below it. Now, what do you think? Here it is. This is the weekly time frame. Which one do you think is more probable? Which one do you think is more likely? Right here. This is Dogecoin on the 2 weeks time frame. Let's look at this on the monthly. Basically, from the monthly perspective, it looks as if Doge is going to come down. The opportunity for us to see price in Doge break outside of this descending line during the month of January was here. And we got rejected and the market came all the way down here towards the bottom of the bar. So from a long-term perspective, listen to what I'm saying. From a monthly time frame, the market here in Doge is still anticipated to go down. So that means that you're not going to see, it's not out the realm of possibility that the price in Doge is not going to go up on a daily basis. Even on a weekly basis, we can see this price still go up, right? So look at this. I really won't see bullishness or buying entering the market from a long-term perspective until we see the market in Doge break this area up here, right? Which is around 20 cents. If the market in Doge never breaks above 20 cents, then I understand from a monthly perspective that the market in Doge is still weak. Now let me show you the hourly time frame. And generally, I mean, it's not a lot here. It's not a big play is not being established here into the market in Doge. It's just not here. So if anything, my current expectation is for us to continue to do this. It's for us to continue to trade sideways. And then as we get closer to this descending line, it's going to tell us whether or not the buyers are going to accomplish their objective and break outside of this line, or are they going to get rejected here? And then you're going to see the price fall and come back down. Either or. This is the prediction right now that we need to be prepared for and get ready to see. Right? So currently, right here on the 13-hour chart, there's still some weakness involved to the market in Doge. Now we can still see price go up, no doubt. Right? We can still see the market here in Doge go up, and I can actually see it on an hourly perspective. That would be my price prediction if I was doing it from an hourly standpoint, would be for the market price in Doge to go up. Right? We can still see that. And from a hourly perspective, you might like 12%. Right? You might like 15.75%. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Since I don't normally cover price predictions on a monthly basis, I'm going to give you all this price prediction right here. Okay. Now, from a monthly perspective, yes, Dogecoin is still weak. But on a daily perspective, I'm seeing strength. I've just shown you on an hourly time frame that the market in Doge looks like it wants to go up. So I'm going to predict that from a daily perspective. Now, my two price targets. First one we already came and achieved back here, right there around 17 cents. That's going to be our first price target. That's where we're going to look for the market in Doge to come. 17 cents. That's only 7.85% profitability. My second area is around 18 cents. Right? That's around 14.25. Now that would take us to this issue here, to this descending line, to where the market is going to make us or even show us what's going to happen next. Are we going to break outside of this, or are we going to break down? That is why I'm just going to bring the price target ultimately to 18 cents. I want us to grab the bag before the price gets rejected there. So that's it. And as we go throughout the month of February, and we see the market in Dogecoin get rejected on this descending line, we understand what's already going to happen. We're not going to be nervous. We're not going to be scared. We are predicting this. So we're just going to chill, sit back, and let the market work. but this is it right now. 2 price targets, 1 cent increments, 17 cents, then 18 cents second. I'm done. I want you all to hit me up. Let me know, what do you all think about the price in Dogecoin? Where do you think the market's going to go? Right? I've shown you and I'm talking about what I'm looking forward to in Dogecoin. So now I want you all to hit me up. Drop me a comment real quick and let me know, what do you all see in the market? Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.